What's up guys, Toyota is bringing a simulated manual transmission to its electric vehicles. It's apparently pretty fun, and the Japanese automaker's way to add more engagement to its EVs likely won't be limited to just 6 or 7 speeds, like most manuals these days. A recent patent application from the automaker published just a few days ago claims there is technically no limit to how many gears such a device may have. Images published alongside the technical document shows as many as 14 speeds. How does that actually work? The automaker explains that too. The patent goes into a lot of detail concerning the ins and outs of such a system. In a nutshell, the driver will be able to select exactly how many ratios they want. The number of the virtual gear stage may be 6 stages or more, or less than 6 stages, the document notes. A driver is allowed to select a desired pattern in line with his/her preference. The whole select a pattern part is a little misleading though. To be clear, the automaker doesn't describe some kind of electromechanical system to effectively create as many physical shift gates as the user desires. Instead, there would be a fixed number of actual gates, likely 6, but Toyota uses 4 as an example. A gear is selected just like regular manual. However, the lever may return to the neutral position after it's used. Then, as the driver goes through the gears, the virtual pattern shifts to the next set of ratios. So, if there's a pattern of 6 gears and 6th is selected, a display will change the available ratios, inviting the driver to go up to 7th and all of the gears after that, or down to 5th and the existing set of gears. Confusing, right? Well, there's a reason why automakers have never gone for more than 7 gears in normal passenger cars. A 14-speed manual isn't practical when mated to a gasoline-burning combustion engine. When your manual transmission is just being simulated though, Toyota seems to think there's no harm in giving people a choice. Anyway, it looks interesting. I will keep you updated guys, so subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Peace out.